vow she made her wedding day, she meant with all her heart to face the future, good or bad. She knew they'd never part. She never underestimates the power of her love. She knows it's grace from God that's flowing to her from above. She's never been without him. She's seen him through the thick and thin. She's seen him sick and she's seen him well, and started life again. She spent her lifetime loving him. She's been his strong right arm, and through the good times and the bad, she has kept him with her charm. It's only been a year or so that he's been feeling ill, but like before, she'll give him strength and fill him with her will. The shadows may be lengthening and the road is getting steep, but there are promises of old that she is bound to keep. Though the world may change around her and the silence starts to grow, she's leaning on the Spirit more than he will ever know. She isn't walking lonely, even in the dead of night, for the love that bound their lives together is the love that holds the light. She knows it's grace from God that's flowing to her from